Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the SQL or Structured Query Language in ArcGIS, which aims to perform quick action and operation with the help of simple expression. For performing that, I have opened a map of India, and now I am going to open the attribute. Just going to the layer file, right click, open the attribute table. Here is the attribute of my map. Now in the table options, the second option is the select by attribute. Here I have just clicked it. Here the select by attribute window is open. On the toolbar, top of the toolbar in the attributes, the third option also is the shortcut key of select by attributes, which we can click or open it here from directly. Now we will going to show you about some different SQLs. So first of all, these symbols we all are know about: equals to, greater than, no, actually greater than, less than, that is not equals to, it's greater than equals to, less than equals to, underscore, percentage and brackets. How can we use these symbols while working with the attribute? Now first I am just selecting, this is the name one file. Whenever we open the select by attributes window, here the method will always show by default create a new selection. So we will working on the create the new selection layer, and in later I will going to tell you about the add to, how can we add data to current selection, remove all this. First of all, I am on create a new selection layer. Now just simply double click the layer that is name 1. I am starting with the equals to, that is simply click it and go into the get unique values. You will get all the unique values of name 1. That is, if I want to show the name 1 is equals to, suppose, Assam, just simply going here and just double click the name, it will come automatically here, and just simply first you need to verify it. The expression is successfully verified. Okay, just simply apply it. Here we can see the Assam state is selected. This is the selected option. If we click it, it will show only the selected layer, and it is the full data set. So in this process, how can we use the equals to sign? Going on to the next one, this is the not equals to. Simply greater than, less than means not equals to. Here if I remove the symbol equals to and simply click it, double click, simply click here and just going to apply here, my all data will be selected without selecting the state. I have been selected here Assam. Then we can see here 34 out of 35 is selected. So this is simply the not equal to symbols. And here we know it's the greater than equal to. While we're working with numbers, we can use greater than equal to. I'm just simply clear it. Just want to show you that the area is greater than, with unique values, suppose this value. Okay, just simply apply it. So my area, which is greater than 1.49, I have selected, all have been selected here. So 24 out of 35 state have been here in different parts have been selected here. We can clear the selection from here. We don't need to do it. Whenever we will give a new query, it will always create new selections. Now I am going to tell you about the main thing, that is what is the function of null and not null. I am just selecting here name 1 is null, and I am just simply apply it. 0 selected out of 35, that is the meaning is that here is no null value in my file. So if I am going to want to see it on the same thing on opposite with the opposite expression, that is the name 1 is, I am just clicking here the not symbol, that is the name 1 is not null, and I am just simply apply it. All 35 of 35 polygons have been selected. There how we can use the null and the not null values. Now I am going to tell you about the like. Again I am selecting the name 1 and going to the like option and get the unique values, that is I just wanted to Chandigarh and the name 1 like Chandigarh, and simply apply, and Chandigarh again have been selected. With the help of like option we can select one or many, and with the help of equals to we can select at a time only one. There is the main difference between like and equals to. Okay, now again I am just going to select, I'm just again clearing here name 1 is equals to Assam, and I am going to select here one more state, that is with the query of or, that is or again name 1 equals to Bihar, and I am just verifying my expression that is successfully verified by simply clicking it apply, and that is my Assam and Bihar state have been selected. We can see in the map also 2 states have been selected here. So if I want to select more than one thing, so we can use the or expression, and as it is the same expression we can use, and and or both are for same selecting more than one values, but or work within the same field, because of we have selected the values both from field name 1, that is Assam and Bihar, so I have taken or. If I want to select, that is name 1 is equals to Assam, and type 1 is equals to state, that I have applied and I have only selected. So here if we want to select not only in one field, more than one field, that I want to select in 2 fields, so that I have used the query in AND. So here is the difference between AND and OR. AND is used for mainly selecting in multiple fields, while OR function is used only in single fields. Now here we are going to see the next query language. For that, just clear the expression. Now I am going to show you I have already shown you the is null and is not null, so I have already seen you the is and or null and like. Now it is the in. So name 1 in, so simply select the bracket, and I am just selecting the name. I am wanted to select more than one district, so just use comma within the name of the state, and you just simply applied. I have selected 3, and within the in, with the help of in query, we can select within a particular field more than 1, more than 2, more than 3, unlimited whatever we want to select, and in this way we use the query in. So the next is I am showing you the function of these two. So I am going to select here, double click here the name one, selecting here the like option, and simply I'm just type here within a single quotation, that is suppose Pradesh, the second part of the Andhra Pradesh. I am just wanted to type here the second part. For that I am just click it percentage and just P, because of the capital, the P is written capital here, Radesh, and simply just apply it. So all the attributes having the phrases of Pradesh have been selected. So with the help of this percent option, we can select the same attributes having the same phrases. And similarly, if we use the underscore here, we can see a different thing with, but this function, the percentile function, used in multiple attributes. This is only used in single attribute. Maybe I didn't know the exact spelling of Assam, so I'm just simply click it and just simply write it and all, and just simply apply it. My state has been selected. This is only used for single purpose, single attribute purpose, and this is used for more than one attribute purpose. So we have been know all these functions, how can you use to select the attributes within them. Now I wanted to show you one more thing, that is create the new selection. So first of all, I am just clear it and selecting it name 1, get the unique values. So I am selecting here more than, I wanted to select more than one, so I am using it again in the inquiry in simply single bracket, and I just wanted to select all these 5. So I'm just double click Andaman and Nicobar, comma Andhra Pradesh, comma again Arunachal Pradesh, again comma Assam, again comma, and finally Bihar. And I'm just simply apply it, and my 5 state have been selected. So now I am just wanted to see one thing, add to current selection. So I am just selecting the thing, add to current selection, and I am just going to the select option again. I'm just selecting it to add the current selection, and again I'm just clearing it, and again name 1 is equal to, now I am going to add Haryana, suppose. So just simply just double click it and apply it. So my Haryana state have been already selected to the current selection layer. Previously, whatever we have worked on, always creating a new selection, and the previous selection has been automatically unselected, and it has always create a new selection, and for now I have been added to the data into my new selection layer. And in the same thing, if I want to remove from the correct selection layer, mainly the same thing, that is already have been, I have added Haryana, and then simply apply it, Haryana has been removed. And if I am selecting the select from the current selection, and from the current selection I am wanted to select Assam, equals to Assam, and just apply it, Assam has been selected. So here are the simple SQL expression with ArcMap attributes, and how we can simply performing the SQL expression to working with the attributes. Thank you so much.